Welcome to day two. Hopefully you guys enjoyed day one and it went really well. All right, in day two, I'm going to walk you through the lesson. Again, we're in Canvas, day two, lesson two. Click the link, we'll make a copy. Once you make a copy, make sure you put it into your 7th grade or 8th grade science folder. That way, when you submit it, you will be able to find it. If you're unsure how to submit, make sure you go back and watch the Canvas tutorial videos. All right, here's lesson two. Like we said, it's laid out very similar to yesterday's lesson, but in today's lesson, we are going through and we're actually going to start reading our first lesson in our textbook. Okay, so up here we have our lesson preview, and right here will be the link to the video you're currently watching. This lesson preview video is the preview for the actual textbook. Right, right here is a review of day one. If you completed everything in day one already, you can kind of skip this section. If not, make sure you go through and read it and go through and follow it. Again, there's a link to everything from yesterday. All right, today what we're going to do is we're going to do an online discussion board. We want to make sure you guys are getting used to Canvas and the fact that you're getting used to some of the skills in order so that we can get more people involved than just the people in class. We want to make sure that we can do online discussions. So the directions are here, and in the video, I ask you guys to hopefully record yourself like I am right now, so we can actually hear your voice, see your face, do all that. And if for some reason it doesn't work, you can go in and just write text. But there's discussion questions here and everything from there. Next is activating your prior knowledge. So this is getting your brain warmed up for today. So again, read the directions, then watch the video. And then what we're going to do is we're going to practice actually placing photos in here. So in this lesson, you're going to do a 5-minute brainstorm on your notebook, either you're drawing or writing, and then you're going to take pictures and you're going to upload those pictures into here. And the video gives you a couple different ways to do that. Again, guys, organization is key. So one of the things you might want to do is create a folder where you can drop photos before you start. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to set up our vocabulary journal. We come from kind of 3 different classes last year with Mrs. Kovach, Mr. Wall, and Mr. Eddy. But this year, we're going to kind of do it universally on how I set up my classroom last year. So right here is the how-to video. So you will click that, and then you will set up your entire vocabulary journal for chapter 1, lesson 1, not the whole, every lesson, just one. In order to make sure that you set it up correctly, you are then going to take a photo of your first page and you are going to put it in here. So those directions will be there. Then we're going to start reading the lesson. Okay. And this year our lesson is in Pearson, but Pearson is no longer called Pearson, is now called Savas. So here's the link to Savas. And if you still want the tips and tricks, they're actually again located right here because we did a preview of that in day one. And then what we do is right here, there's the lesson preview that Mr. Wall went through. Please answer any questions you have in a different color. It still makes things easier for us. Then we have directions. So right here, it's going to turn to page 1 and answering the following question. Boom, you'll write your answer there in a different color. Make sure you answer why. Then step 2, you're going to preview the pages. You are going to then, after you preview the pages, make sure that the vocabulary words are in your journal. There are 8 of them. You're going to watch this video, which is Beyond the Dirt, directions, and then you're going to watch this video that's the actual, the video for it. There's a question to answer. You're going to watch the directions, click the link, answer the questions. Watch the video, click the link, answer the question. Finally, there's a YouTube video. One of the things that we're going to be really focusing on this year is something called constructive and destructive forces. So make sure that you click that link and you understand that. All right, next thing is introduction to Newsela. Many of you have used Newsela before, but we want you to go through the introduction and how to log in. And right here is a login video. And you're going to read your first Newsela article, which is called Earth's 4 Spheres. When you get done reading Earth's 4 Spheres, there's a quiz or a question sheet, whatever you want to call it. Write down your score. So take it, write down your score. Then every day, that we do a normal lesson, there's going to be an exit ticket. The exit ticket is on Canvas. You will click the exit ticket. It will bring you right to the spot on Canvas where you're going to take it. You will take it, submit it, and then your last thing is going to be submit the document. The nice part is you click the link here, and it's going to take you right to where you need to go submit it. All right, so that's it. That is day 2. Any questions, don't hesitate to email, or if you're in person, obviously come talk to us. All right.